Here I have MICROMAX Canvas Selfie free, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Find and select here the settings. Then you need to choose language and input. It's located under personal tab. Scroll down and choose language. Alright, this is the full list of available languages that you can use on your device. In my case, let me choose Espanol. As you can see right now, the whole list of settings and also apps are in Spanish. If you would like to go back to the previous version, to the English one, let's choose Ajustes, scroll down and select here Idioma en traducción de texto, type idioma again, and let's choose here English, for instance from United States. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.